Hello guys! Hello mga ka-house! Ako po si Myra Reyes, ang accredited salesperson from Yesland Realty. Isang mainit na pagbate galing sa akin kasing init ng panahon natin ngayon. Pero dito sa Lipa ay mas mababa ang temperature kumpara natin sa ibang lugar. Sa ibang lugar ay 42 degrees, dito po sa Lipa ay 32 degrees lang. Kaya, for today's video ay papasukin natin ang The Park at Lipa, located at Efrodelas Road, Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas. It is a modern, stylish Asian house owned and developed by Royal Properties. We have lot area of 50 square meter, inner unit, 63 square meter for end unit. Our floor area 60.5 square meter for inner unit and 65 square meter for end unit. So it is a pre-selling project with reservation fee of 15,000 pesos with pre-selling discount of 150k. But it is until April 30 only. It is under Pag-ibig financing. Turnover is complete finish. It has 2-story townhouse, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, living area, kitchen and dining area, balcony, and carport. The new establishments are De La Salipa, Lipa District Hospital, Mercado de Lipa, which is the Lipa Market, SLEX Tambotol Plaza, St. Anthony de Padua Church, SM Lipa, Robinson Lipa, and Mary Mediatrix Hospital. So we also have the amenities. So we have expansive clubhouse with parking, swimming pool, basketball court, playground, jogging path, and multipurpose lawn. So guys, as you see, gawa na ang ating mga amenities. So yan po yung ating swimming pool. At makikita natin si swimming pool ay may kiddie pool. So, safe ang ating mga kiddos. At ang ating basketball court ay may harang. At yan po ang ating clubhouse. So, ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Tara, usap tayo para makapag-tripping at makapag-reserve na agad-agad.